In this video, I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles for medium brown hair like mine, but I'm sure these can work on any hair color. Let's begin. Hey guys, it's Clarice. Welcome back to my channel. Begin by combing your hair. My favorite comb is the Tangle Tamer. It really helps get rid of all those annoying tangles. I do have a link for this comb below in the description if you're interested. So the first design is this super cute braided flower bun. Start by parting your hair down the center. I like to do this by combing backwards the hair on top, then taking a small comb like this and kind of pushing it through and using that to part the hairline straight as I can. Then take a hair tie, any kind will work, and then take the top portion of your hair up and then tie that off into a ponytail. Then divide it into 3 portions and start doing a simple braid. You can take the braid in front of you as you go down if that's easier. So once you get to the end, tie that off with another tie. Alright, so it should look something like this once you're done. Now grab a few bobby pins, take that braid and start winding it around into a bun. Now take your bobby pins and secure it in place. It took like 5 pins for me to do mine, and you're done! This style is perfect for keeping your hair out of your face, but still letting some of it down to help keep you warm. For this hairstyle, I'm sure this has a name, but I don't know it. Let me know in the comments if you think you know what this updo is called. Also part your hair down the center and grab a hair scrunchie or tie, whatever you have could work, and you're going to simply start by tying all of your hair into a low ponytail. Then grab the scrunchie and drag it down, and how far to go depends on your hair length, but I'm going like 2/3 of my hair length. Now this one needs a little practice, and the more you do it, the better you'll get. So grab that hair and kind of stuff it up into and behind the rest of your hair. Now hold it there while you grab a hair claw. I have this pretty butterfly one, but any hair claw should do just fine. So use that to hold up the ponytail inside. It is a little trial and error, but this is such a cute style. It keeps all of your hair out of your face, but still down. Hey guys, I have a question for you. What is your go-to hair look? Do you like wrapping your hair in a bun, throwing on a ponytail, or just leave it loose? Let me know in the comments. So this is the 3rd design, a super pretty, elegant one, perfect for a party or an outing. So you're going to grab a small portion of hair from each side and bring them under your chin. Then use a small elastic to secure it. I'm using a colorful rubber band because I think it helps bring out the design on my darker hair, but you can use whatever you want. Now grab another portion of hair. Here I'm grabbing it above my ear, and grab another portion as symmetrical as you can from the other side, and bring those 2 down a few inches from the first tie and tie everything together, joining it all into one small tail. So this is what it looks like. Now if you can do this again to do a 3rd pair. I remember doing 5 pairs one time I did this style, but I'm going to stop at 3 today. So now stick your hand under these strands like this and lift it all up over your head and throw it behind. And this is how mine turned out, super elegant and pretty, and as you can see, the colorful rubber bands helps it to stand out a little. I hope you enjoyed these 3 looks, but wouldn't it be fun to take a look at what fall nail art is trending this season? I made a video like this for my summer trends and you all seem to like it, so hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm actually going to recreate some fall trends, maybe even that pretty butterfly trend. For a complete collection of all my nail art tutorials, check below in the description for the playlist. On Instagram at thepolishedqueen15, I post nail art I create. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you're new here and would like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Please feel free to share this video with your friends and comment below which of these hairstyles is your favorite. I think mine is the 3rd one. I'm so looking forward to your comments and giving responses too. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best and have a magical day.